and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. My name is Gail. If you're new here, I make things from polymer clay and take you through in a step-by-step instructional video as to how to make things. Today I'm going to make a snowman snowflake, and that's exactly how it sounds. So it's going to be a snowflake with a snowman on it, with lots of glitter, and it's going to be really pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to go through what I'm going to use today. Just go through the Fimo first. This is Fimo Effect, and this is Metallic Silver 81, Fimo Soft, and this is Royal Violet 66, Fimo Soft in Peppermint 39, and I have a small piece here that's just an orange, that's basically a bit of scrap that I've got here, and then I've got some white which is Fimo Soft, and that is 0. Okay, moving on to the cutters, I've got a heart one and 3 of the snowflake ones. I'm going to do a mixture, and I've also got different colours to go through because I'm going to do one in blue and one in purple, or at least the decorations in those colours. Moving on to the mica powders, I've got some very boring ones today. I've got just some sparkly white and then a shimmery sort of pearl in the mica powder. And then the glitters, I've got some mixtures because I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I've got some blue and some pink. And then I've got some of the holographic and some of the pearlescent one. Okay, moving on to the tools, I've got my scoop for the glitter, brush for the mica powders, and then my 3 tools, and these are by Sculpey Studio. These are my dotting tools, and they have a latex end on them. These are really good, and this is my needle point as well. Then I've got my craft knives, I'll be using that as well. And lastly, anything that you make flat, always use a tissue blade because it's a good way of getting that up from the tile. Okay, so I'm going to make a start. Okay, so this is Fimo Soft Silver. Now the Fimo Effects new brand, as this is ridiculously soft. I haven't even hardly touched this, so I'm not going to do too much rolling with this because I actually don't need to. So what I'm going to do is just roll this into a ball and then make it into a flat surface. Okay, so I've rolled the 2 silver pieces of clay out, and I'm just going to press the cutter down and just use something just to give it a good push down and make sure it's gone all the way through. And then I'm going to do the other one. So I put these 2 snowflakes on 2 different tiles because it makes it really easy to make the designs. Then I can just pick them straight up and pop them in the oven when they're done. So now I'm going to move on to the snowmen. Okay, so I've cut a ball of white in half, and then that's going to be the face on either side, and I've just rolled some different colours, and this is what I'm going to make the scarf from, so that's going to go on next.
The snow is falling down, I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. Right between us with a beautiful 2. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you just your eyes that have lit something in me. I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
So I've made the scarf. You saw how I did that. Just roll 2 long lines of each clay. You can mix them up, you can do different colours, squash them together, pop them round, and then do each of the scarf individually. With this one, I made the scarf a lot bigger because the head of the snowman is actually bigger. I'm not really sure how that happened because the star's the same size, but still, these things happen, and this is craft, so why not? So now I'm going to make the carrot for the nose, and then I'm going to do the facial features of the snowman. So I've done both of these at the same time. So I've done the carrots for the nose and then the eyes. I pressed in the dots of the eyes and then used little balls of clay to pop in there, and that gives a bit of depth to the eye as well, rather than just popping them on the top. And then, as you saw, I just used my nail for the little smile and then put little dots either side, which gives a sweet look. So what I'm going to do now is just do some decorations around the snowflake, and then of course the glitter.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
There we go. So what I've done is just added some glitter and of course mica powders, a few little dots around the outside where the little snowflake points are, and they are now ready for the oven. Okay, so the snowmen are now out of the oven, and I'll just show you a little close up. So I'm going to put a hole in the top here and also on this one on the top here, and I'll be using this tool. It's a Fimo Professional and it's a little screw tool. It's like a little hand drill, so it's really good. I've already made a little dent on here, so I'm just going to place it here and then screw it in until it makes the hole.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe's, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So
Okay, I'm now going to add the ribbon.
Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go.
Okay, so I've added the ribbon, and that is how you make a snowman snowflake. So the final product, there we go, there's the purple one, and he is quite 3D, so he's got a big nose that sticks out, which I actually really like. Some of them don't do that, some people sort of put them on as a little dot, and I actually prefer it like this. So there he is, and then there's this one is the smaller one. So I did the scarf slightly smaller on here because he had a smaller head, and again he is 3D, so he does stick out quite a bit. So there you go, and that is how you make a snowman snowflake. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. If you're new here, my name is Gail and I take you through instructions to make, I've lost it again. Do it really well, and I like to make the ribbon nice and coordinating as well. This is sticking up quite a bit, but this one hasn't for some reason. Okay, so I don't know what I'm talking about.